Did you know that I launched my new Daily Vision of Excellence series earlier today? Did you catch my Sunday Shiners? Every Sunday, I will be sharing more thoughts on those shiners that try to knock you out and ways to turn your shiners into you shining your light in the world. Hi, Rosalie here. I'm a heart centered entrepreneur with an international doTERRA wellness team of over 40,000 people. I love sharing that. And it's not to impress you, it's to impress upon you that so many people's lives have been enhanced through the power of essential oils. I have so many amazing things to share with you, and from time to time, I will share a Sunday night sneak peek with you about the oil I will be focusing on during the coming week. I've been so excited about launching this series that today is one of those sneak peek times. Are you ready? First, a quick backstory though. Long ago, when I was in my 40s, I was having a lot of health challenges that left me searching for natural solutions for my daily routines so that I could be more proactive with my health. It was through my naturopath that I got introduced to essential oils. I'll never forget that moment. You see, I had just returned from my first ever trip to Hawaii. It was February in Alaska. It was cold. I had a ton of feelings of anxiousness and life's challenges. As I lay on her massage table, she was sharing with me about essential oils and asked me if she could put a little on the back of my neck. At that point, feeling calm and relaxed was on the top of my list. Within seconds of her putting that oil on the back of my neck, a very peaceful, calm feeling came over me. And nowadays, we jokingly say, one drop of peppermint and the rest is history. Yes, that one drop of peppermint made a huge statement, a wonderful impact, an eye-opening, jaw-dropping moment that I will never forget. So for our first week of Daily Visions of Excellence, we will focus on all things peppermint. Oh, the recipes, the fun, the knowledge you will learn about one of the most precious gifts of the earth that I was given over 9 years ago. See you tomorrow for Marvelous Mondays, where we will set our intention for the week, learn more about an incredibly special essential oil, and continue living our life of excellence together. Remember, as Benjamin Franklin said long ago, if you fail to plan, you are planning to fail. And living a life of excellence starts with the decision to have a marvelous week. Therefore, make sure you stay connected, like my page, turn notifications on, subscribe, follow, you get the idea, and plan to show up tomorrow. If you want more information now, you can check out my website at rosalieelliott.com.